So now the sealer's on the whole job, and I've left it overnight, and the last step now is to put a layer of protector on top. And essentially what that is, it's a combination of tanners, waxes and modifiers to make the feel of the leather improve, get a nice silky buttery sort of feel. So all we do to do that is pour the protector directly into the cloth and just wipe it on. Wipe it on nice and evenly and just let it dry naturally. So yeah, that's it. What you can do with the classic cars, if you want a more waxy, buttery sort of feel, you can add 2 or 3 coats of protector on. So we'll let this one dry and come back when it's all done and show you what it looks like. Right, I've just put the protector on the rest of the seats, and this is all dried now, so it's got a nice natural sheen to it. That's the end of the process. So what I'll do now is I'll cut away and show you the rest of the seats that are all refinished and all waxed up, ready to go, and that's how it's all done.